Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Myself Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss class 8 general knowledge part 12. So let's start this video. Unit 6, the important art and painting. The term used for art. First, art restoration. Repairing the damage by cleaning or repainting the original art so that it becomes as it was originally. Means art restoration means repairing the damage by cleaning or repainting the original art, original painting. So it is called the art restoration. Means sometimes need to repairing and repainting original painting. It's become was originally. It's called art restoration. Second, art conservation. It means to protect or preserve an artwork from any types of damage done due to handling. Means art conservation is you can protect, preserve your original painting. This is called the art conservation. It means to protect or preserve an artwork from any types of damage. Any types of damage done due to handling. Third, industrial design. The object is designed in such a way that it of practical utility besides looking good. Industrial design means your designs look like industries. Means through industries there are so many types of designs, printed designs on your t-shirts, yeah, any other. So such type of design is called the industrial design. The object is designed in such a way that is of a practical utility besides looking goods. Means industrial design looking goods you see in different cloth, t-shirts have different types of design. Such type of design produced by industrial design. Question number 4. Web art. It's the art which is means for viewing on the web. Web art means you can see a different types of designs, cloths through the internet. This is called the web art. It includes sound and animation also. Means web art also produce pictures, sound and animation. You can easy way to search, just like you search any design a cloth on internet like Amazon, Flipkart. Such type of design is called, such type of art is called web art. Fifth, reproduction. The original art piece or the paintings are very expensive and people cannot afford it. Hence an extract copy of the work is produced with its cheaper. Means reproduction. Reproduction means the original painting is very costly, very expensive, so many people cannot afford. So exact copy of the work produced which are cheaper. Means then produce a duplicate look like the same original painting which is a very cheaper and any people afford to purchase it. So this is called the reproduction. Question number 6. Art gallery. It is a building where artworks are exhibited and also sold. Art gallery means is a building where artworks are exhibited and sold. There are so many different types of painting placed on this art gallery, and many people come here and see and purchase the arts painting. So it's museum, a building in which the artwork are collected for exhibition, educating the public. Museum is a building where artworks collected for exhibition and educating the people. People know about this painting is related to which persons and in which year. So this is a very important function through this museum. 8. Solo show. An exhibition of a work of one artist only. Solo show means just like art gallery, but in this gallery only one painter's paintings exhibited is called the solo show. Ninth, group show. In an exhibition of work done by a group of artists. In this exhibition is performed by there are so many artists participate and each painting exhibited on a particular building is called the group show. Next, the general awareness. Precious painting genres. The paintings show change and variation of style in each generation. Gothic paintings. First picture is related to Gothic painting. From 12th to 16th century, the paintings mainly had a Christian theme. In this painting, Gothic paintings are related to a Christian themes, and the time duration 12th to 16th century. Second, in the 15th century period of Renaissance, the paintings since 15th to 16th century mainly choose classic Greek and Roman subject. In the 15th century, mainly paintings are painted by Gothic and Greek-Roman subject. Third, in 18th century, Romantic prevalent in France, the paintings were mainly on romance, mythological themes were depicted. Means in 18th century, mostly paintings are painted by a particular theme. The theme is romance. Fourth, 20th century was the period of expressionism. Emotional themes were expressed through the disordered shapes. Means 20th century was the period of emotional themes. Paintings show the emotional themes of particular disorder or shape. Fifth, in 20th century, the artist took non-representational styles and abstract art was used mainly. In the 20th century, the artist took non-representational styles, and abstract art are the used mainly. There are so many types of themes and pictures available in this painting. You can find out. 6. In the 15th, pop art came into play using comic strips cartoon. In 1950, people painted by comics through comics. Famous musicians. Identify these popular musicians must go and write their names below. First, India's foremost classical vocalist known as Queen of Classical Vocal. She was the youngest recipient of Padma Shri Award in 1976. Parveen Sultana. Picture of Parveen Sultana. Second, one of the most well-known Indian flute player. Today he received Padma Bhushan in 1992 and Padma Vibhushan in 2000. Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia. Here the picture of Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia. Third, he is an Indian Shehnai maestro. He received Bharat Ratna in 2001. Bismillah Khan received Bharat Ratna in 2001. Bismillah Khan. Here the picture of Bismillah Khan. Question number 4. An excellent composer of most influential music piece. In spite of his disability, he gave the greatest instrument work and symphonies. Andrea Bocelli. This one. Question number 5. The greatest musical genius of all time of Vienna and had worked on many symphonies, piano, violin and concert. The name of this famous musician, Franz Schubert. Question number 6. He was called the musical genius. Even in the teenager, he was the greatest all piano composer. His best creation, elect waltz, romantic nocturnes, etc. The name of this famous singer Christopher Alan Elder. Question number 7. A gem in the Indian music world who has created history in very short time. He was the winner of Oscar Award in 2010 for his song in the picture Slumdog Millionaire. The name of the great singer A.R. Rahman. There is a picture of A.R. Rahman. Next one, do you know Mian Tansen was one of the greatest musicians of India? He was one of the Navratna, 9 jewels at Emperor Akbar's court. Mian Tansen, one of the greatest musicians and one of the famous Navratna at Akbar courts. Hopefully you understand all content of this video. Each and every student write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.